a short under bonnet review of the Mini now that the project is coming towards the end. The majority of the work on this project has been addressing the corrosion, which I can now safely say the vehicle is completely rust free. So if you've been following this project, you will recall that the sills, the inner and the outer sills and the floor sections were all badly corroded, as were the boot floor sections as well, where the subframe mounts to the vehicle. They have all now been professionally repaired, seam welded and seamed and re-under sealed, so it's better than new probably in terms of corrosion protection. The rear suspension arms had new bushes fitted. They had some play in them, so they needed to be corrected. The rear valance section is all new, and the box sections as well that enclose the end of the valance are replaced as well. The subframe was removed from the vehicle during the work to be checked and make sure there was no corrosion in there. It's all good now, and the mounting points where the subframe attaches to the vehicle are all replaced as well. So we've got really good structural integrity around the vehicle. Certainly a lot better than it was before. Corrected the oil leak. It was at the top of the engine, but it was running down to the bottom. Vehicle has new shock absorbers. They were suspect on the last MOT, so I just replaced those. The engine mounts have been changed. I've gone for standard spec, late spec engine mounts, including the stabilizer bars. The car did have polyurethane bushes fitted to the upper and lower stabilizer bars, but it was transmitting too much NVH into the cabin, so I've reverted back to the late standard Rover parts, as I believe that they have durability and also optimized NVH performance. So I haven't started the car yet because I'm still waiting for the oil filter to arrive, but I'm hoping that that will address some of the vibrations that were coming through into the cabin whilst the car was running. The car passed its MOT last Friday, so it's effectively now just a little bit of cosmetic work to finish off.